How much do you know about solar system? Let's start. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter. Who was the first person to step foot on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the approximate age of the solar system? $4.6 billion years. What is the second largest planet in the solar system? Saturn. What does the sun give us? Heat and light. What is the main component of the sun? Hydrogen. Which is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system? Jupiter. What planet in our solar system has the most gravity? Jupiter. Which planet has no moons and no rings? Mercury and Venus. What is the name for a planet outside the solar system? Exoplanet. Which planet has the fastest winds? Neptune. What is the time taken by the light of the sun to reach the earth? Eight minutes 20 seconds. Which of the following is at the center of the solar system? Sun. Which was the first planet to be discovered by scientists? Uranus. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus. What is the name of the second largest moon in our solar system? Titan. Which is the densest planet in the solar system? Earth. What is the main component of Saturn's rings? Ice. Which planet has the strongest magnetic field in the solar system? Jupiter. Which planet has the longest orbit around the sun? Neptune. What is the densest moon in the solar system? Io. Which planet has a day that lasts longer than its year? Venus. Which planet takes about 165 Earth years to orbit the sun? Neptune. Which planet has polar ice caps? Mars. Halley's comet will next pass Earth in which year? (2061). Which is the only planet in solar system whose density is less than water? Saturn, who used the name Mars to call their god of war. Ancient Romans, what is the farthest planet from the Sun? Neptune. In which year was Uranus discovered? (1781). If there is no sun, the color of the sky would be black. What is the maximum number of solar eclipses which we can see in a year? 5. Total solar eclipses happen on average every how many months? 18 months. Which of the following part of the sun is visible to humans? Photosphere. The moon's changing shapes are called the moon's phases. Which planet is sometimes referred to as a failed star due to its massive size? Jupiter. Which planet has rings that are mostly made of ice particles? Saturn. Viking lander, the first spacecraft to land on Mars, touched down in which year? (1976). Which planet is the brightest object in the night sky after the moon? Venus. The sun accounts for what percentage of the mass of the solar system? 99.80%.